Okay, so hello and welcome everyone in our next lecture. So, uh, so far we will cover a lot of things in Dancer, like we will cover Dancer AI course overview and objectives. Now in this video, we'll talking about overview of Dancer AI, like what is Dancer AI exactly, and we'll show you the features of Dancer AI, how DanswerAI works and like what are the functionalities in DanswerAI. So yep, on to the next slide. So Dancer is GPT-based open source enterprise question answering tool. It empowers private data control and you can instant AI Q&A with reliability. There are a lot of features are available in the Dancer like dashboard control, admin control, and apart from this, like it is also used for organization. Like if you want to extract documents and want question answers and Q&A with AI. So it gives QA question answer with documents, and like there are a lot of functionalities in Dancer are also basic Google and authentication, Google authentication and SAML authentication. Apart from this, it has feature of smart document retrieval, enhance user experience, dashboard control. There are a lot of feature enhancement also in Dancer. So basically it uses AI, like it is a AI open source AI tool for basically question answering. Okay, and moving to the next, we'll go on this docs dot. Yep. So basically, what is Dancer is an open source unified search across all your workspace tool. There are a lot of options are available in the Dancer, like main features, search plus AI plus answer for natural language queries. It connect you can connect to all the common workplace tools like Google Drive, Confluence, Slack, etc. It have also chat support like ChatGPT and other stuff also like OpenAI, Azure AI, and Hugging Face. Lot of AI integration also, AI tools integration also. And apart from this, you can also create custom AI assistant with different prompts and backing knowledge sets. Apart from this, Dancer have so many things like Slack bot setup. Uh, you can directly integrate with Slack, your Slack workspace, and want answer. And next, you have also like generative AI overview and generative AI settings. Like what are the LLMs option available in the Dancer? OpenAI, Azure OpenAI, Hugging Face, Anthropic, Replicate, AWS, Bedrock, Coherent, and so many others options are also available in the Dancer. By default, Dancer supports by default Dancer have a GPT 3.5 model, but Dancer also supports multiple model option like GPT-4, text Gemini, and OpenAI. So yep, like there are also a lot of options here, like what are generative AI LLMs model and what is default model. Default model, I also said GPT 3.5 turbo model from OpenAI have Dancer, and this is the most accessible model hosting service since it does not require any access approval and like GPT-4 or Llama 2. And OpenAI also hosts the model behind the API, which make it easy to use and much more cost efficient than hosting a model yourself on dedicated hardware. So there are a lot of options. You can check it out on docs.dancer.dev, and like there are so many auth setups like basic auth, Google auth, and SAML setup. Like you can also see the connectors overview, connector overview like web connector, file connector. You can directly connect uh, these third-party apps or SaaS apps. Okay, like talking about the connector overview. So it connectors hook up Dancer to your data source so that answers are grounded in organization knowledge. You can directly connect to third-party apps like GitHub, Jira, Slack, GitLab, Google Drive, Gmail, Notion. There are a lot of options are available in the Dancer also like Document 360. And talking about the techlatest.net. So if we click on products and support page and you find the Dancer here, Danswer. So like Danswer with support from TechLettics.net is an open source enterprise question answering to revolutionize knowledge generation and retrieval. Using this VM over any SaaS solution will provide the following benefits: gain insight from private and public data source, no monthly or annual payment commitment, pay as you go model, and like easy access to all the your existing data source, out of box connector for popular enterprise tool and data sources such as Google Drives and Slack. For more details, you can also check out docs.dancer.dap like about the connectors, and it have admin and UI interface also, like I can show you. Like this is basically the Dancer admin, and like this is the admin side of Dancer. And apart from this, you can also admin panel and stuff. You can also see the connectors overview, like what are the connectors from which you import knowledge, and there are add connectors all option are also there. You can also set up auto syncing from apps like this, GitHub, Confluence, etc. You can then it'll show you the custom assistant like Persona, Slack bot integrations, keys are also available like OpenAI key and other stuff. You can see the user management system here and Explorer part. And these stuff like search and chat functionality are most one of the most important part of Dancer. So yeah, that's all about Dancer. That's all about Dancer in this video. Uh, Moving to the next, we'll more talk about Dancer AI UI and like setup on VM in next video. Thank you.